Hi guys, so this is Jmar, and I believe that your website is responsible to make or to give a higher conversion rate to your website that will increase your revenue. So in today's video, we will talk about Anchor Link. So Anchor Link gives you the capability to make your website as a one-page website. Most of the developers right now, they are choosing one-page website because of um, for the easy, user-friendly website. And right here, right now, I have a website called Creative Creative Professionals. This website is a digital marketing agency, and we will plan to launch this website this coming August 2019. So I'm using a Divi team to build this website, and right now I will teach you how to make this website a one-page website. So as you can see here, if I will click the home page, it will brings you to the home page. But on the About Us page, there's no pages or links. Oh yeah, the contact page, that's a contact. So yeah. So but what we want to do on this video is we want to make this website a one-page website or a one-page site using the Anchor link. So like I said, I'm using a TV team, and I will use the Anchor link for this website. There's an alternative ways for a website. For making a website as a one-page site. There's a plugin called forget the tool. Hold on, I forgot the tool, but it sounds like a scroll one page plugin. You can Google that. But I will make a separate video for that on the future. So yeah, let's go deep in with the Anchor link. So I'm here right now at the dashboard of the website, this website. So meaning to say I am logged in, and I have the capability to edit the website. So first here, on the actual homepage, I want to connect the About Us on this section, our services on this section, this how it works on this section, live reviews on this section, blog on this section, and contact on this section. So yeah, let's start to do that. So yeah, first is we will edit the website using the visual builder through Divi, and you can also edit the website through the back end. But for me, it is easy to edit the website on the front end of the Divi team. So if you are using a Divi team, just use the visual builder of the theme. All right. So on the other tab, go to the appearance and click the menus. Yeah, let's wait. Connection. All right. So right now we are here at the menu, and yeah, the website is on enable visual builder mode. So first, okay. So for this one, click the gear icon, advanced CSS ID, and maybe just put anchor dash 2, one anchor dash 3, one anchor dash 4, one anchor dash 5, one anchor dash 6. All right. So let's go to the menu. So for the About page, yeah. So I remember the about section is anchor-2. So hashtag anchor-2. Okay. Next is hashtag anchor-3. Next, sorry, anchor-3. I mean 4. Anchor-5. Anchor-6. And let's see. Hold on. Anchor-7. And then say contact us. Add to menu. Add the loop. And then save. So we also need to save this one, right? Okay, so we'll refresh this one. This is the actual homepage outside the editing mode. So let's try. So if we click this, about us, who we are, our services, how it works, client reviews, log. Last thing is contact us. All right. Last one. Okay. So if you want to click, make the home page, the home tab, go back on the up on the section. We can just also do the same way like we did on the first. So anchor, sorry, anchor-1. All right, to the menu, make this hashtag anchor-1. Save, and then just to check. Okay, then save this. All right, refresh. Let's see. All right, so home page. Okay, let's go to the contact us, and then let's go to the home. All right, so it's successful, right? So if you have any question about this video, please leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel so I can I can make another videos that can beneficial for you, especially if you are working online and you want to learn more about websites. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.